If you want to be an informed waterfront buyer, I have some information about lake communities that I think you'll find very interesting. Hi, I'm Gordon Baker with RE/MAX Alliance Group, and I want to help you become more knowledgeable about Phoenix waterfront property. Many people, when they come to Arizona, are surprised, like I was, to see the many man-made residential lake communities where some allow boating, kayaking, even a few allow water skiing. Now the next question often is, or it should be, is, Gordon, where does the water come from? This is a desert, right? And that's what we're going to talk about today, are the sources of water for the Phoenix area lake communities. And there are three. Number one is well water. Two, water from a watershed. And number three, reclaimed water. Number one, well water is associated with the older communities, and these communities would include Playa del Rey, Crystal Point, Santan Lakeside Estates, Scottsdale Ranch, Desert Harbor, Oakwood in Chandler, and Lakewood in Ahwatukee. Number two is water from a watershed. Now, SRP manages 7 lakes in the watershed, and these include Roosevelt Lake, the largest, Saguaro Lake, and Bartlett Lake. Now, the lake communities that benefit from the watershed include Val Vista Lakes, Stonebridge Lakes, the Islands, the Springs in Chandler, the lakes in Tempe, and Garden Lakes in Avondale. Number three is reclaimed water. Reclaimed water is highly treated water from a wastewater treatment plant. Reclaimed water is used throughout the valley. If you're driving around and notice a purple covered irrigation valve box, it uses reclaimed water. Or you might be at a public park and there's a lake there, and you'll notice a purple sign saying that it's reclaimed or recycled water. And reclaimed water is highly affected by something they call the lake spill, which is ARS 45-132, which prohibited the use of water, large bodies of water, for recreational or scenic use. This essentially put an end to the use of potable water for lake communities. However, there were some exceptions. One of those was, you guessed it, you could use reclaimed water. Some of the communities that benefit from reclaimed water are Fulton Ranch, Ocotillo Lakes, Pine Lake Estates, and Arrowhead Lakes. So there you have it, the sources of water for Phoenix lake communities. I hope this has been helpful to you. And if you're a serious waterfront buyer, this may be a criteria that you want to incorporate in your search. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put in the comments and I can get back to you directly, or this may be a good subject of my next video. If this has been helpful, please like this video and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video, or better said, you seeing me in my next video. Again, I'm Gordon Baker with RE/MAX Alliance Group. Thank you. Number three is Roosevelt Lake. Water is highly treated water from a wastewater treatment plant, and you've Santan Lakeside Estates, and there's another one I just can't remember it. In Avondale, and another one I just can't remember it. How come you can't remember these?